Hi guys, this is Sajid Aslam and you're watching SciTech YouTube channels. In this video I will explain about insurance, what is insurance, and second, how does insurance reduce your financial risk, and third, how does an insurance policy work. So without wasting of time, let's start video. First of all, subscribe my channel for new videos and for more informations. So here is our first question: what is insurance? Insurance is a way to manage your risk. When you buy insurance, you purchase protection against unexpected financial losses. The insurance company pay you or someone you choose if something bad happened to you. Oh my god, this is so crazy. So, as you know guys, insurance is much better in these days. If you have no insurance, so what happen will do with you? If you have no insurance and an accident happens, oh my god, you may be responsible for all related costs if you have no insurance. I hope you understand. If you have no insurance and an accident happens, you may be responsible for all related costs. Having the right insurance for the risk you may face can make a big difference in your life. So here's a second term: how does insurance reduce your financial risk? Imagine you are a car driving your car and you hit a deer, which damages your car. If you have the right kind of auto insurance policy, the insurance company will pay the cost of the car repairs, maintenance, everything. Now imagine a water pipe bursts in your bathroom, running everything in that room and the bedroom next to it. Typically, if you have, however, and renters insurance, the insurance company will pay the replace everything. Insurance company will pay everything against your loss. So how does insurance policy work? Here's a third term: what is insurance, how insurance reduce your risk, and the third, how does an insurance policy work. Insurance policies are often in a place of for a specific period of time. This can be referred to as the policy term. At the end of the term, you need to renew the policy and buy a new policy. When you buy an insurance policy, part of your responsibility including paying the fees called premium. Some premiums are paid monthly, like health insurance. Others may be paid once or twice a year, like auto or homeowners insurance. What are common type of insurance? Here is the fourth thing I added in my video. I want to explain everything step by step. Once you go for insurance, you will know about everything, I hope. Health insurance. What is health insurance? First, help you to pay for doctor fees, and sometimes once you buy health insurance coverage, you know, and your health insurer each agree to pay a part of your medical expenses. Life insurance. I hope you know about health insurance, and the second term is life insurance. Pays a person you select a set amount of money if or when you die. The money from your life insurance policy can help your family pay bills and covering life other life expenses. So the auto insurance protect you from paying the full cost for vehicles repairs and the medical expenses due to an accident. In most states, the law required you to have auto insurance when operating a motor vehicles. So this is the video, and this is my first video in English. First of all, my English is not good. I want to deliver a good content on to you. I will try myself. I will try my best. So see you in next videos. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, if you like my efforts, so please subscribe my channel for more information. Have a good day. Thank you so much.